In this video, I will show you how to add widgets to Notion. So the first thing you need to do is go to indify.co, and then after that, make sure that your account is logged in here. And then scroll the way down until you see a lot of widget options. So for example, I will choose this clock, click on create widgets, and then after that, name it in the title, and then click on continue. And then here you will see the clock widgets. Then, after that, you will see the links here. So, you need to copy it. And then, once you copy it, go to Notion. And then, go to your page. And then, press empty space. And then, type /embed. And then, click on it. And then, after that, paste it here. The link that you copied earlier. And then, click on embed link. So, wait for it. And then, after that, you will see the clock widgets here. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.